After so many years, today I got a chance yet again to work with Oracle Cluster Registry. Oracle Clusterware is one of the topmost products created and launched by Oracle many years back. Oracle Cluster Registry, or OCR in short, is a heart of any Oracle Clusterware product. Oracle Clusterware uses this OCR to store and manage information about the components that Oracle Clusterware controls, such as Oracle Rack, listeners, virtual IP addresses, and many other things. This OCR stores this configuration information in a series of key value pairs in a hierarchical tree structure. To ensure cluster high availability, Oracle recommends that you define more than one OCR locations, preferably 5 shared locations which are accessible by all the nodes in the cluster. You can also replace a failed OCR location online if it is not the only OCR location. And please, if you're running a production grade Oracle clusterware, then never go with one OCR location. You can also use various Oracle utilities to update and manage this OCR, such as Oracle Clusterware Control Utility or CRSCTL, or SRVCTL or Server Control Utility, or OCR Configuration Utility, OCR Config, or even with Database Configuration Assistant, DBCA, and Oracle Enterprise Manager. If OCR is stored in an Oracle ASM disk group with external redundancy, then Oracle recommends that you add another OCR location to another disk group to avoid the loss of OCR. Oracle doesn't support storing OCR on different storage types, so please keep the things simple and homogeneous. Never store or even attempt to store OCR on different storage types. For example, trying to store OCR on both Oracle ASM and also on a shared file system. So these are few of the nuggets which I have learned over the years about OCR. If you have any other comment or any point which I have missed, please feel free to put it in the comments and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.